What is Unreal 5? Unreal 5 is mainly a game engine in which games are programmed. You can make your characters move, you can make them have shaky hair, you can program a lot of individual things you can think of. There are also a lot of modes inside there. You can create dynamic landscapes so they're efficient, placing foliage so they're efficient. You can do a little bit of mesh painting. You can also do modeling, but I don't recommend this generally. It's nice for some blockouts, for some testing and stuff, but generally not. One of the new cool things is the physics engine, which lets you automatically break things. You can also animate characters inside Unreal. You can create your own particles, and let me bump those up a little bit, just a little bit. And it's also used for a lot of Hollywood-like productions, like it was used for Mandalorian and in the new Halo series, where at least the CGI was good. One of the things I love about Unreal is that you don't have to write lines of code. No, you can work with nodes. I'm not a programmer. I barely ever write a code of line. So this here is very understandable once you understand the individual nodes, even for a not programmer. Once someone explains to you the nodes, you can also program things. At first this might look convoluted, but it's very logical snippets one after the other.